Ultimate Facial Protocol. Step 1. Skin Exfoliation with Zamets SonoSilk Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber. Press on the central button and select Clean Mode. Direct the mist spray on the skin. Hold the spatula by 45° to the skin. Apply mild pressure and glide over the skin following the lymphatic directions. Perform 3 to 5 slow gliding passes over each facial area. Step 2. Skin Hydration and LED Light Therapy with Zamets UltraGlow. Apply a thin layer of Zemits FirmingGenius Peptide Gel on the area to be treated. Wear protective goggles that come in set. Turn on 3M mode on the device, adjust intensity and select the LED color. Red for anti-aging treatment. Blue for anti-acne treatment. Green for depigmentation treatment. Use circular motions and glide over the skin following the lymphatic directions. Perform 3 to 5 slow passes over each facial area. Step 3. Microcurrent Skin Toning with Zamets Vivitate. Reapply a thin layer of FirmingGenius Peptide Gel on the area to be treated. Turn on the device, adjust intensity to level 1. Use linear gliding motions, following the lymphatic directions. Perform 3 to 5 slow passes over each facial area. Step 4. Cold Plasma Energy with Zamets Acne. Dry up the skin. Turn on the device, adjust intensity to high level. Hold the device with your fingers on the side metal electrodes. Place the working surface topically on the areas of concern, inflammation, acne, or wrinkle. Step 5. Apply sunscreen. Enjoy your skin glow.